Hey, it's Darin from innovationtraining.org. There's a new tool for making music with AI. You know I like Suno. I've been using that to create maybe 100 songs for fun, for my friends, for all kinds of tiny purposes. It creates a song in a minute. Now people are talking about UDIO, UDIO, UDIO.com. So what I tried was, in one of my previous videos, I demonstrated creating a song right in the moment where I'm in my basement and I want the inspiration to create a LinkedIn post and share it with the world. And this is the exact prompt I typed into Suno. Country song. Darin is in his basement wanting to teach others AI. He is trying to get the inspiration to do a LinkedIn post. He finds it and shares it with the world. So you just enter it in the box, right? These are just quick prompts, and let's see what it came up with. I'm already liking a couple of things before I've even ever made a song and played it. This is my very first time. I like that it's giving me two different song titles, right? In Suno, you just get one. It gives you two versions, pretty similar, but just pretty much the same lyrics and the same title. Here, it's giving me two different titles. I'm wondering if the lyrics will be different. Let's hit play and see what it's like.
Downstairs in my hideaway, got dreams to show the folks. Typing out my wisdom born from cold and clever strokes. The moon is rising high, but I'm inspired tonight, it's true. My tale of ones and zeros, Darin's gonna see it through. I'm gonna share my screen and all the secrets that I know. A LinkedIn post, it's time to let this quiet giant grow.
All right, it's a shorter song than Suno creates.
Hey there, basement man, with your AI plans. Got some wisdom there that's slipping through your hands. Post it out and clear, don't you be too shy. Sharing all your smarts, let your dreams take flight.
Another version.
Hey, hey Darin, take a chance, you got something more.
All right. So those are the two songs. The thing that I liked is it gave me two different songs, different titles, sounded like different lyrics. Looks like I can remix it if I want to change it, extend it if I want to make it longer, publish it. This is just my first take with this. But the song, I like the song a lot better on Suno. When I heard that song on Suno, I got energized. I loved it. It lit me up. I like the story that it told. This didn't excite me as much, right? It's pretty cool technology. And it worked pretty well. I like the two options, but for me, Suno was what engaged me a little bit more. So that's just my first take on this new tool I'm using. UDIO, UDIO.com, an alternative to Suno. And I'm just using this through my Discord account. You can sign in if you have a Discord account or all kinds of other ways to get started to create your own songs with AI.